Welcome to Exam Sale. In this short guide I will walk you through the LPI Level 1 syllabus so you know what to study and how each topic is weighted. The LPI Level 1 exam covers 6 topics with these exact weights. Topic 109. Networking Fundamentals 23%. Topic 107. Administrative Tasks 20%. Topic 108. Essential System Services 17%. Topic 105. Shells and Shell Scripting 15%. Topic 110. Security 13%. And Topic 106. User Interfaces and Desktops 12%. Each domain lists a focus, a difficulty rating, estimated learning time, and an assessment type from hands-on to scenario-based. I will summarize what you will learn in each domain and point out the most important subtopics to practice. Topic 109. Networking Fundamentals is weighted 23%, marked hard, with an estimated 30 hours of study and assessed by hands-on and conceptual tasks. You will learn IPv4 and IPv6 addressing and subnetting, common TCP and UDP ports, ICMP and its diagnostic role, and basic packet structure and routing concepts. The practical side covers persistent network configuration using Network Manager or Systemed Networked, configuring static and default routes, DNS client setup with etc resolve conf and systemed resolved, and troubleshooting connectivity with ping, traceroute, SS or netstat NIP commands. Topic 107. Administrative Tasks is weighted 20%, rated medium, with about 25 hours of study and assessed conceptually and through scenarios. Expect to manage user and group accounts using UserAD, UserMod and group tools, maintain etc password and etc shadow files, and handle skeleton directories and login histories. You will also automate administration with crontab, add and system timers, control cron access with cron allow and cron deny, and configure system localization including locales, time zones and keyboard layouts with locallectal and locale commands. Topic 108. Essential System Services is weighted 17%, rated medium, with an estimated 20 hours and a mix of hands-on and conceptual assessment. Study system time management using TimeDetectal, CRNI or NTP and the hardware clock, and learn about NTP pools and strata for reliable synchronization. You will configure system logging with RSYslog and Journalctal, manage log rotation with Logredit, understand basic MTA concepts like SMTP and mail aliases, and handle print services with COPS, LPQ and PPD drivers. Topic 105. Shells and Shell Scripting is weighted 15%, rated medium, with about 15 hours of study and both hands-on and conceptual assessment. You will master the Bash environment by defining environment variables, configuring bashrecon.bash profile, creating aliases, and customizing the prompt and history behavior. The scripting section teaches standard shebang usage, conditionals like if and case, loops with for and while, positional parameters, exit codes and capturing command output for small but reliable scripts. Topic 110. Security is weighted 13%, rated hard, with an estimated 15 hours and scenario-based assessment focused on practical security tasks. You will audit file permissions including sudo and SGID, configure password aging and sudo for controlled privileges, and monitor open ports and world-writable files. Host hardening also covers SSH configuration and key-based authentication, basic firewalling with iptables or nftables, resource limits via ulimits, and securing data with new PG, PKI concepts and basic SSL/TLS understanding for encrypted transfers. Topic 106. User Interfaces and Desktops is weighted 12%, rated easy, with about 10 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. Learn the X Windows system architecture, install and configure X11 servers and video drivers, and manage display managers like GDM and LightDM while understanding Wayland differences. You will also cover graphical desktop environments such as GNOME, KDE and XFCE, remote desktop access with VNC or RDP, and accessibility tools like Orca, screen readers and keyboard assist features. In total, the syllabus suggests about 115 hours of study across all domains, combining hands-on practice with conceptual review to meet the assessment types. Focus first on networking and administrative tasks for the highest weights, then practice labs for time, logging and security, and finally review shells and desktops to round out your preparation.